This video is a guide on how to create a brush pattern design using a texture photograph from your Formal Elements project, similar to the image you can see on the screen there, using Photopea. So the first thing you need to do is to be able to open up an image from your texture Formal Elements topic. So this is an image I've just selected based on the texture of wood from a photo shoot that I did for that topic. First thing you need to do is to select the image. So you go to the top of the screen with your select menu there and select all. So it's select all there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to then use this image and to create a brush tool from it, a custom tool. So the next thing you need to do is go to Edit. You need to go to Define New and then Brush. Click on Brush. And you can just see that it's just appeared on the top of the screen there, the brush has been added. So what this means for you now is if you now click on your brush tool here, and then the brush menu at the top here where you can change the size of the brush, you'll be able to see some of these preset brush types, an image there, and that image is now this photograph, this texture photograph, and I can use that now as an actual brush tool. And you can probably see already, you can probably see it appear there as a kind of a brush head on the actual screen there. I can change the size of it to reduce it down, and you can vary obviously the angle of it as well using these different tools in there. But we're not now going to use the brush on this image, we're going to use it onto a new image. So the next thing you need to do is go to File and New, and where now you've got this idea of creating a new project, just select an A4 image. You can choose another size if you want to, but I'm just going to use A4 for this demonstration. I want it to have a white background, which is there, and I'm just going to press Create. And now this gives me a kind of now an image now I can begin to actually draw and print my photograph onto the image itself. So you can see there I've got the brush tool selected, as you can see there. I've also got the colour down here selected as black, but obviously you can change your foreground colour to any colour you wish to. I'm just going to use black for the start of this. And then all you simply do to create the image is just to click in the place you want to place the brush. So I'm just going to click there. And as you can see that I can now begin to create a pattern. And it's up to you what kind of pattern layout you want to do. I'm doing an example like a brick almost effect pattern here. And you just simply just create the image. And now what I might want to do now is to begin to actually change the colour. So let's go for kind of a paler blue there, a teal colour there. And then what I might want to do is begin to overlap this into maybe all the parts of the image there. And it's entirely up to you how you go about filling your project image until you get the image you want. Now you might want to again begin to overlap some, so I might go for a different colour there, brighten that colour up a bit, maybe add some overlapping images into this. So you come up with the design that you feel you want to create. Okay, so this one example there, that's one I kind of completed. It just gives the idea of a repeat pattern using this. And this has very much been influenced by the artwork of pop art, and particularly Andy Warhol's repeat pattern. So you'll be looking at that in lesson to help with your ideas of coming up with your own design. Okay, I hope that's been of help. Once you've completed your design, you do remember to save it. You need to go to File, Export As, and save it as either a PNG or a JPEG in your file. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.